everyone, good morning. So, it's currently 8:45 in the morning and I have a class later so maaga ako nag-prepare ngayon kasi matagal ako mag-makeup and kailangan ko pang mag-makeup, mag-eat and maybe get some coffee later before mag-start yung class ko because I have two subjects today and 20 minutes lang yung break niya in between so I need coffee. And yeah, I'm just gonna get ready because medyo matagal-tagal to. I just finished doing my makeup and it's currently 9:53 and yung pasok ko is 11 o'clock. So, magmamadali na ako kasi kailangan ko rin ng coffee and bibili pa ako later. So, yeah. I'm already done with everything and it's currently 10:40 and I don't think makakabili pa ako ng coffee because medyo malayo siya here and if magsha-shuttle ako, ang tagal ng shuttle and if mag-walk ako, I think it's too hot. So, yeah. Bobby. Oh, you're vlogging again. This is Mavi. You can see her. They can see me now.
What the dog doing?
Nabasa ko din to, pwede din to. Kasi set high standards, always working larger than life goals. Or in their minds, siyempre if they're
hindi, ikaw yan. Ito ka.
Ito din, oh, pasahin mo.
Ako malaws.
Ito rin nagpo-focus sa akin.
Kamusta?
Guys, kakain ulit siya. Ayaw.
Ayaw mo? Bakit?
Hindi.
Dapat? Napunta na.
Guys, nauna ako sa...
Bisita na. Bisita na.
Bisita.
Oh, layo. Layo. Ayoko na siya.
Ayaw daw ni Jersey sa ganyan. Na, wait lang.
Naiyak ako. Thank you. Thank you.
Nagpasan ka.
Bakit tayo maghiwalay?
Guys, magkagrupo kami.
Thank you guys. I'm happy.
Si Mavi.
I'm so
Hi everyone, I just finished my class. Super daming ginawa and super nakakapagod siya. Kasi yung class ko is 11 until 5 and 20 minutes lang yung break namin. Like in between those class. So, nakakapagod talaga siya. So, I'm just gonna end my vlog here because I need to rest. So, I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi everyone, good morning. So, today is Friday and it's currently 7:43 in the morning. And I have a class, pero may online Zoom muna kami ng 8 to 9:30 and yung class ko is mag-start at 9:40 up to 11 o'clock. So, right now, I'm just gonna do my makeup and whatsoever because magpapaprint ako and I have a quiz. That's why magpapaprint ako ng notes ko and review it. Done with everything and it's currently 8:49. 9:30 yung class ko. Pero I need to go na kasi magpapaprint pa ako and sana may open ang papaprintan. But yeah, I just did my hair like this kasi para clean and bumabagay naman siya sa outfit ko. So yeah, I got to go everyone. I'll see you later. Bye! I really love my makeup by the way.
ASMR.
my gosh. Mag-hello ka lang pala.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
Papalas na. Hina.
Sabi mo kasi ASMR, di ba? Hina.
ASMR pala.
Ganyan lang ginagawa niya pag may mic.
Pero narinig.
Yeah, why? Bag haul. Ano haul ba yun? Bag raid? Bag raid. Bag haul. Ang dami niya namang bag raid. I have this. I don't know. Kanya. Hindi. Perfume niya yan. Tama mo. Ayoko.
Ang tamis niyan.
Mahilig ka sa
Wala lang. Dinadala ko lang. Pagbabaho. This. Wala siyang kwenta pero sige. Yan! Wala, magiging vlogger na ako. KD Sama kita. Ako pa nagsama.
Yeah, what's that? What's that?
Romand. Pangit ko mag-vlog. Nag-TikTok kami ni KD. Sobrang daming nanood kasi sobrang galing ko. Wala lang, tumayo lang ako. Pinakita lang yung outfit namin. Outfit lang namin dalawa. Lagi. Like yung araw-araw na outfit, gano'n. Maglo-launch ako ng bagong... Maglo-launch ako ng bagong beauty product called
Jersey Beauty.
Love Jersey Bee.
Username.
Love Jersey, yeah. Suot niya yung ano namin yung blush. Wow.
Akala ko magla-lunch ka pa doon.
Ay, sorry. Ay, magiging ganito yung balat niyo.
Baka walang mo.
I want ore. I want ore.
I want this.
This?
I'll take all.
Thank you naman. Recommended.
Anong
Yan,
flavor?
sinusundan ka na.
Milk choco. Sobrang sarap niya.
Milk chocolate.
Mukhang strawberry siya.
Hi everyone, it's January 31, Friday. It's currently 7:42 in the morning and I just finished everything, my makeup, my outfit, my things and whatsoever. Ready to leave na talaga ako, but I decided to vlog because today I have a class ngayong morning and later na afternoon may event kami and guess what? Mag-host ako. Yes, for the first time guys, mag-host ako. And isasama ko kayo sa pag-hosting ko later because this is a new memory, maybe a core memory also, and gusto ko na masama ko kayo doon sa memory ko na yon. I'm gonna see you later pag nasa school na ako, and yeah, bye!
Videoan ko kayo mamaya. Sige, sige.
Dito challenge na siya guys.
Hey, yan na. Go. Di ba may nakapili kita? Pili ko yung mali.
Hindi ko nakakita.
Paano? Ang pinapapili mo sa akin, etong handyman.
Hindi
Sige
ako
nga. Pakita mo.
Naguguluhan na siya.
Medyo nako-confuse siya.
I think ang mag-picture si Harold. Siya ang nasa gitna. Ay, wow. May gano'n naman.
May ganyan pala.
Si Harold naman talaga, oh.
Hard.
Para mas formal.
Ito, alam ka sa
Not a presentation. This is an experience.
Dali, isa ba?
This is the presentation never experienced before. Guys, chili.
Video yan.
Kaya nga.
Oh, say hi.
Hi, vlog. Mga Korean.
Harold. layo naman eh. Ito. Guys, this is Ate Jana.
I miss you guys.
Kala mo naman, nakita mo sila. Hi everyone, I just got home. It's so tiring because full day kami na sa school. Phones are not allowed during the session and a lot more. And it's currently 5:47. But I'm so happy na okay yung presentations, okay lahat. And yeah, smooth flow yung mga nangyari kanina. And this is the end of my uni vlog. I'm gonna see you on my next uni vlog. Bye-bye!